Okay, well, this is how I managed to remove the timestamp and all the other junk that comes with the Zoom transcript. When you first download from Zoom, you will get it as .vtt. So make sure that you have Microsoft Word downloaded to your desktop or laptop for this to work. Once you download, you will just right click on the file, the transcript file, and then you will go to open with, and then from this list choose another app. That's what you're going to click on. If you already have Microsoft Word downloaded, you will just scroll down. You should see that as one of the options. If you're not seeing this as one of the options, I'll show you all how to still open it with this later on in this video, I guess. But for now, if you're seeing it, all you'll do is click on it and then just choose once, because I don't think I'll be doing this again. So you just choose once, or you can choose always if you want. When you get this window opened, and then I will just switch it to Windows Default. Actually, don't worry about that. Once you click on Windows Default, it will automatically go to the default one. So don't even worry about that. And then you will click OK. And then as you can see, let me just delete this at the top. And then you can see all the timestamps and 1, 2, 3, it goes so long. So what we need to do is make sure that you're in the Home tab and then click on Replace. And then on here, on your keyboard, you're going to hold Shift and then number 6. You should get that, okay? And then what you will do is hold Shift again and then number 3. What this will do is it will get rid of all these timestamps, okay? It will leave everything else, but it will just get rid of the numbers. All the numbers in your transcript will be gone, including any numbers that were said by your participant or by you. So just make sure that you have that original file as a backup to make sure that you are not losing any of those numbers. So once you have that typed, click on Replace and then wait for it. And it removed that many. That's crazy. And then once it's all removed, you should be able to see that all those numbers are gone. There's no numbers within your transcript, okay? Unless they're literally spelled out, okay? So once that's done, we will delete that on the find what. Oh, it should be obvious. You are not going to put anything on the replace with, because we don't want anything replaced with that. And then now to get rid of this, we can just select copy and then paste, Control V, select all, Control C, and then Control V to paste, or just type it in. And then we're going to hit replace all, and that will get rid of that. And then now these arrows, okay, we will just type them in, but you can also copy and paste if you wanted to. And then like that, replace all. That should get rid of all the junk and everything. The good thing with this method is that you'll still have all the punctuations throughout your transcript. You're not going to lose the periods and none of that. Everything else will stay. Okay, so if you're not seeing the Microsoft Word on here from this list, it's not there for you. All you'll need to do is click out of that and then go to your Windows search and then type Word. And then you should be able to see Word app. Right click on it and then click on Open File Location. Once you do that, it should take you to where the Windows app is saved to. You can either just leave this, copy the URL from here, and then when you come back here, you will click another app, and then when you come back here, you will click on Choose an App on your PC. And then that URL that you just copied, you will paste that here, hit enter, and then look for Word right here. And then click on the Word and then open. And then it should appear here. It will already be selected, and then just choose once. And then go through the process the same way we did. What you need to do is when you're here, instead of copying this URL, you can just click again and then open file location, and then what you can do is drag this winword.exe to the desktop, click and hold, and then just drag and let go. Okay, that is moved to the desktop. Mine, I have my desktop hidden, so that's why you're not seeing it appear, but it's here. And then what you need to do is go back here, open Now if we go here, we'll click on open with, choose another app, then from this list it will not be here for you, remember that. Okay, so you're going to choose an app on your PC, and then this time instead of choosing from here or looking for it, we'll just go to our desktop, and then from our desktop we will see WinWord.exe shortcut, and then we'll click on that, open, and then it will appear here. And then all you need to do is choose once, and then go through the process again, choose Windows default, okay, and then you do the same thing that we did previously. Okay, replace, and then do the same thing that we did at the beginning of the video. I hope this one helps you guys. Good luck with your research, and I wish you all the best, and I hope this video helped you.